welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today's video, we're going to try to weave this sailboat. I think it is 51 threads high, and it's a little time consuming. Here's the left list that I've got to do it, and we're going to be using, I think it's going to be like 14 of these threads. These threads are size A. And I'm going to try to do a size D thread. I'm worried about it not being as tall and crisp looking as in the picture, but I think it'll be bigger with the size D thread. But that's what our goal is for today. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and let's get right into this. Okay, so I didn't bore you with putting all these threads on. There's 51 threads on here. The sail of this thing's going to be different striped colors. It's going to be 6 threads in each stripe, and it's going to be 3 and then moved up 1 step, move 3 up 1 step to make the sail. I started in the center. I drew a line where my center point was going to be. So I started on thread 26 and I went 26 through 1 in the weave, and then went back to the middle and then went down from 27 to 51 so that I kept it straight. What else was I going to tell you? I'm going to show you how I set it up after in another video. This is my very first weave. So bear with me. I'm not going to bore you with dragging this whole video out. I'm going to speed it up maybe 5 times, and you can see how it goes on and what you got to do. And I'm just following that left list. I did a few modifications. We got a nice little sailboat, rod weave. It did do exactly like I thought. It made the sail fatter, horizontally and not as tall, like sharp looking narrow, vertically. But I'm fine with that. Very first rod weave, I think it come out good. Just trim these up, get all these threads off of there, and we'll get a snapshot for the thumbnail. But I'm really pleased with that for the first one. You can't really see the brown, the boat part, but I'm very pleased with it. It was about took hours to get the all the threads on there. I'm not gonna lie. To wrap the weave, I mean, might have been 40 minutes altogether. I used the left list really in the beginning, and then once I got halfway done, I understood the pattern, and I didn't need it no more to do the other half of it. So I had to speed it up 10 times the normal speed. So I think it come out good. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll be doing plenty more weaves. And send me a picture of something you want to see weaved in there, and I'll do my best to get it in there. Give me some ideas, everybody. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up. Give me a comment. Subscribe to the channel. Appreciate all of you.